Hi everyone, I'm Abhiram. I'm reading a book called Malgudi Days written by R.K. Narayan. About the author, Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayana Swamy was born on 10th of October 1906. He died on 13th May 2001. He is commonly known as R.K. Narayan. He was an Indian author and also known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. Mal- about the book, Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories by R.K. Narayan published in 1943 by Indian Thought Publications. The book was republished outside India in 1982 by Penguin Classics. This book includes 32 stories, all set in the fictional town of Malgudi, located in South India. Each of the story portrays a facet of life in Malgudi. The New York Times described the virtue of the book as everyone in the book seems to have a capacity for responding to the quality of the particular hour. It is an art we need to study and revive. In 1986, a few stories in the book were included in the Malgudi Days television series and directed by actor and director Shankar Nag. In 2004, the project was revived with filmmaker Kavita Lankesh replacing the late Shankar Nag as director. The new series was telecast from April 26, 2006 on Doordarshan. In 2014, Google commemorated Narayan's 108th birthday by featuring a Google Doodle showing him behind a copy of Malgudi Days. The chapter which I like in this book is The Astrologer's Day. It is a short story about an astrologer who knows nothing about stars or astrology. He applied for a job after going on a run through, though why we are not told why he ran away. The townspeople believe his predictions because of his study, practice, and shrewd guesswork. One day, a customer bets a large amount of money. The astrologer can't reveal anything of substance. The astrologer resists the bet until he recognizes the man who is called Guru Nayak. After some haggling, he, the astrologer tells the man that he has been stabbed and left that he has been stabbed that he has been stabbed and left for dead in a well. The impressed customer pays up, although not the promised sum, and the astrologer warns him not to travel to this part of the country again. That night, the astrologer's wife asked where he had been so late. He confesses that he had tried to kill the man years ago. R.K. Narayan is one who brings attention of the Western world to India. Thank you and have a nice day.
Done, Abhiram? Okay, great. Nice. So Abhiram has picked a particular book which I wanted to read for so long. When I was maybe of age of Abhiram, I was seeing that particular television serial which he just mentioned in his review, Malgudi Days. I'm not sure how many of you have watched that, that TV series that broadcasted on Doordarshan on those days. Those TV series are also very good, but absolutely the book on which this TV series is based, definitely it's worth going through. You can, when he was talking about, I still remember, I could recall that jingle of Malgudi Days TV series. Maybe after the class, you can try that. Try searching on YouTube, my Malgudi Days title, and that beautiful melodious music. I'm sure all of you would enjoy. Very good, Abhiram. Have big hands for Abhiram. Very good.